Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be telling you how I'm using the Notion app to create my NCERT notes for the CSC examination. So let's start with this video. First, I will open my NCERT history textbook of class 8th. And then I will go to one chapter which is Impact of Colonial Education on India. So now I'll be preparing my notes from this chapter. So in the Notion app, I'll create a new task which is British Impact on Indian Education. And you can also select these bullet points. Like if you want to create notes on bullet points, you can select that. Next, I'll select only those important parts which are necessary for me. Like this part. So when I have copied that from that PDF and pasted it here, now I will format it. I will bold the important names or the important organizations by pressing Ctrl B. Similarly, I will select all those important parts from this PDF of NCERT History Class 8. And then I will gradually format it so that only the most important content which is necessary for CSC will only be remaining in the notes. So I'm selecting all those Macaulay's Minute from this NCERT textbook, and then I will select this Wood's Dispatch. I will arrange the paras neatly, because if you make your notes very cleanly, you will be interested in studying those. Otherwise, if you make your notes very messy, it does not feel like studying. Also, you can format your notes like to keep quotations, like how I have did that. European learning. All these are inbuilt in the Notion app. You can press this / key in your keyboard, which is beside your shift key, and then all those tasks will come out, like to do, bulleted list, numbered lists, quotations, emojis, block codes, everything. Now I will change the icon of this page. I'll keep some books icon. I'll select this one, orange book, and then I'll also change this cover. These features make Notion a very good app. Like you can really customize your notes. So I'll select one of these images here. Yeah, this Japanese print looks nice. So I'll select this image. Okay, this looks nice. So next what I will do is, now it looks very rough notes, like it's not formatted. So I'll format it. I'll keep headings. So now I'll type the introduction, and then I will copy it, and you can select this box here, text, and then you can go to this heading 3, which is a small heading. You can then go to heading 2, which is a big large font heading, and then I will underline it by pressing Ctrl U, and also will color code it. You can do it according to your needs. Similarly, for the next paragraph, I'll keep a heading there. Similarly, I'll go to this block tab you can see here, and then turn into heading 2. So now this another heading has been created. I will also color code it with a background of green color, and also underline it by pressing Ctrl U. Then I'll create another heading of Wood's Dispatch, then missionary activities, then indigenous pathshalas, and then difference between Gandhian and Tagore education preference. And I will keep this as pink background. And then all those names which are important of the personalities, I will label them orange color, so I can easily identify which personalities are there in this note. We have color coded those things. Now you can add a description of whatever you want. Like I have type this description, like NCERT topic on impact of colonial rule in the transformation of Indian education, and then I will show you the next feature, which is this. You can, in the PDF, you can highlight whatever is necessary, you find it important, and then use the sniping tool in Windows 10. Windows logo plus Shift plus S. Then you will get this sniping tool. Select whichever part you want to crop up, and then it will automatically get saved in the clipboard. And then all you have to do is just Ctrl V, paste it here in this Notion app, and see, you got this pasted. To adjust the size of the image, you can see here these black bars. These scroll type bars are there, you can just pull them inside or outside and the image will get condensed. Similarly, I will select another image. Like how often do you get images in your notes? Like it is very less, right? Usually all our textbooks are written in black and white and without any images, very boring to read. So I create my own notes in this Notion app. Here also I'm creating another note. You can highlight the PDF and then you can use the sniping tool in Windows 10 and then you can paste it here. This quote also I have changed it italic font and then a little bit of grey background. Similarly, this indigenous Pathshala's picture also I'm keeping it here. And this Gandhiji and Tagore's picture also I'm pasting it here. You can really customize your notes in Notion. Like now I will do this as numbered lists. So you can go to this numbered list and see you have got this number list tab. Similarly, this one I will do at bulleted points. So I will select on this turn into and select the bulleted points list. You can prepare your notes very customizably, and the next feature I will tell is you can easily print your notes like in the A4 sheet. You can go to this tab here, export, and then PDF A4 size and press export. And this is how your note will look when you print it out in the A4 sheet. It has very good page numbers, the topic name, all the images are there, whatever content you have selected that is there. See how nice it looks. So if you ever want to print out your notes, you can easily do that and it looks as good as a textbook. The fonts, the images, the highlights, everything is perfect. In the previous video I have said how I have created a CSE syllabus plan. Now since I have finished this colonial education topic, I will go to my CSE syllabus plan and under the complete tab I will type whatever I have read now and then I will put it at the NCERT tag and then I will copy the link of that note. You can go here and select this copy link. After you have copied that, you can go to your CSE syllabus plan and then paste it. Link to page. Now you have created that link inside the syllabus plan. Now when you double click on it, it will directly go to the note which you have created just now. See, the note has been displayed now. So guys, if you have watched this video till now, thank you for watching. If you appreciated this video, please give it a thumbs up as it motivates me in creating such videos. You can also share your views, queries, etc. in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel to get such regular videos. Thank you everyone for watching this video and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, keep hustling.